Introducing the all-new X8 Pro. Tailored for homes with pets. X8 Pro's twin turbine technology generates high-intensity suction to effortlessly extract hair and dust from deep-in carpets. The expanded air duct sucks in more debris, and the larger filter excels at preventing blockages, preserving optimal suction strength. X8 Pro's roller brush is repositioned at the front of the chassis, close to the side brush, and has a V-shaped design that guides debris towards the air duct. Its dense bristles pick up ground-in hair from the carpet. Once it's finished cleaning, the roller brush spins in the opposite direction and uses a built-in comb to free tangled hair. At the self-empty station, debris is transferred to the dust bag via a short channel that ensures virtually nothing gets left behind, maximizing cleaning efficiency. It also allows you to skip trips to the trash for up to 45 days. X8 Pro, hair-free, tangle-free, hands-free, all in one.
Eufy Clean.